taking a look at this really cool AI voice recorder and translator. So this is very thin. It's a metal design. It's got a charging port on the back here. The charging cable is magnetic and it's just going to clip on there with magnets. Charges with USB. Charges quickly, has a long battery life. Has two buttons. One button here is for quick connection if you're going to be on a phone call, and the other is an on-off switch if you're going to be listening to conversation or like a lecture or something like that. Because it's an all-metal design, it comes with this magnetic ring which can connect to the unit. The magnetic ring has an adhesive side, so if you have a phone like this one that isn't magnetic, you can adhere that and then keep your recorder translator on your phone at all times. There's an app that runs on the phone that this connects to, and this will translate your phone calls from multiple languages into English or vice versa. And it can also dictate or transcribe your calls as well. Now, if you need more than 400 minutes a month, I think, then there's a subscription. But I think included, you get a plan that gives you 400, if I understand it correctly, you get 400 minutes of transcription every month. This is a neat unit. It really allows you to do a lot of cool things. It can take notes, it can do you can do summaries, and it can do mind clouds. There's lots of cool things that the AI part of it can do. I'd like to thank them for sending us this to check out. I hope this helps.